Hello, my name is Rob and welcome back. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I have owned a business since 2017. And while owning a business doesn't make me an expert on business, I believe it does give me a certain insight that non business owners may have, especially when it comes to the challenges a small business faces on a regular basis, especially as it relates to sales and marketing. I do what I do in part because I want to help in those areas. It's something I've dealt with most of my professional career. And so if I can provide some advice or help to small businesses, all the better. So with that said, I am always looking for different service packages to offer to companies to, help with their ROI, help generate leads, etc. So I came up with one that I wanted to share, and this is a done for you complete marketing setup that covers the gamut that a lot of service-based businesses can utilize at a very low cost. So let us jump in. I want to talk to you about this setup and kind of go from there. So again, this is a done for you complete marketing setup. And what you get with this setup, you get a Google review generator. So we're going to automate review requests via email or SMS to happy customers to boost your online reputation without you lifting a finger. We're going to create a lead follow-up system so when someone does reach out, you'll never forget to follow up. So if somebody fills out a form online, for example, it will all automatically have an email generated. If somebody goes and sends an email, it's going to automatically be generated. So we build a three-step email or SMS sequence that responds automatically and helps to convert interest into sales. We're going to give you a CRM that actually works. And it's no secret if you've listened to my videos, I use Zoho. I like Zoho. It's fairly inexpensive. It's easy to work with and fits the majority of businesses. Has everything that a business is going to need. Well, I can use other ones as well, but again, Zoho is what I choose. Salesforce, HubSpot, it really makes no difference. We're going to set it up for you. We're going to install it. We're going to configure it so you can track contact conversions and whatever other opportunities you want to track. And we're also adding in an optional piece for those who may want to start on doing cold email outreach. If you're looking to scale, if you're looking to reach out to new cold leads, this is going to be the best way to do it. And if we do set this up for you, we're going to run simple email campaigns to your ideal audience, track responses, and push them as warm leads into your CRM. So how does it work? It's extremely simple. Week one, we do a discovery call. We start the system setup. Week two, we install and test each piece and then walk you through it and turn it over. Everything, in most cases, I look for three criteria when I'm putting systems together. Must be easy to learn, must minimal time needed to manage whatever it is that we're turning over, and it must be cost effective. And this system it is easy, it is cost effective, and minimal time to manage it. However, if you want us to manage it for you, we can, but it is not a necessary piece to what we are offering here. This is perfect for service-based businesses that rely on incoming phone calls, that rely on people going through your website and maybe filling out forms to set appointments. It is perfect. Insurance agents, contractors, HVAC, pack and ship stores, veterinarians, medical and dental offices, dog groomers, auto services. I think you kind of see where this is going. So, what does this all come down to? So, right now we are offering for a very limited time a setup package that starts at $497. This gets you everything that I showed you, except for the cold email that is an additional add-on. But $497. If you want us to manage this for you, it's going to be $97. And again, cold email is not included in this. If you've done any research on any type of marketing done for you marketing systems, you will find this is a unbelievably spectacular price. If you are ever thinking of doing some of these things, now is the time. So if you're interested, give me a call, or and better yet, drop me an email at info@robraylis.com. The address is right here. You can also go to the website at robraylis.com. But again, take a look. What you're going to get, one more time, the Google review generator, a lead follow-up system, a CRM that actually works. Everything is set up, ready to go, automated, very minimal time investment on your end, and optionally, you can add the cold reach outreach campaign. So hopefully, you're going to get excited as I am about this. And if you want to give me a call, or I'm sorry, send me an email, it's info@robraylis.com. All right, everyone, have a good weekend. Thank you very much. Take care now. Bye bye.